Hi everyone, Mark from Bezalo here, and today we're going to go over a quick guide on how to use Prelude. Here you have your Prelude nicely packaged. Inside, you'll find your Prelude, a user guide, and your Type-C charging cable. Now to charge, it is fairly easy to use. Simply remove the protector cover, peel the film, shake to turn on, and attach. There you have it. Now, it is also very important for both the transmitter on the Prelude, located right on the center of the nano suction, to be aligned correctly to the center of your phone. You can also make sure to pick up one of our glossy cases for easier positioning on the sweet spot. There you have it, beautifully made and easy to grip. If you have any questions, make sure to contact our support team. Thank you.